Respiratory system. Let's begin. Your respiratory system is the organs and structures in your body that allow you to breathe. It includes your lungs, nose, mouth, and the tube-like structures airways that connect them. You also have muscles and blood vessels that support your respiratory system, and ribs to protect it. Now, we're going to talk about the different types of breath sounds. We categorized it to either normal breath sound, or abnormal breath sounds, or adventitious breath sounds.
In normal, there are 4 sounds. First, it's vesicular breath sounds. Second, broncho-vesicular breath sounds. Third, bronchial breath sounds. And last, tracheal breath sounds. If we talk about the adventitious, there are stridor, auronychia, wheezes, pleural friction rib, and last, crackles.
Let's talk about the characteristic of each sound. And we need to hear it what it is heard. Starting the first one. Vesicular breath sounds. This is how it's heard. The second breath sounds is the bronchovesicular. This is how it's heard. The third is the bronchial breath sound. This is how it's heard. The last one, normal breath sound, is tracheal breath sounds. This is how it's heard. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comments, and like.